1st of March and we are checking out of the property all dressed up, and we have plans to go to Pushkar, and we'll also be covering Ajmer today, and then later tonight we'll be going to Jaipur.
तो अभी हमारे लगेज के बारे में, ये मम्मा का है, ये बब्स का है, ये डॉल का है, इसमें सबके फुटवेयर है, इसमें मेरे 2 जोड़ी कपड़े हैं। ओके अम्मू इधर नीचे
काला किसी ने निकाला पहले तो।
किसको बोल रहे हो?
इन भैया को बोल रहा हूँ।
अभी हम ऑटो में और हम जा रहे हैं अजमेर शरीफ दरगाह, क्योंकि एक पॉइंट के बाद देयर इज नो 4-wheeler अलाउड और एनी काइंड ऑफ व्हीकल, सो यू हैव टू टेक द ऑटो एंड देन गो। पता नहीं सारे लोग बड़े सैड हैं। There's a tiny road that you have to cross to go there. We are in Nahargarh Fort में and we've watched a pretty sunset like you've seen, and अभी हम अंदर जा रहे हैं जहाँ पे photography allowed नहीं है, but let's see wherever it's allowed we'll try to take the footage, but otherwise we wouldn't be able to. अभी हम हैं नाहरगढ़ फूड कोर्ट में और चाय कॉफी पीने वाले हैं और क्या करने वाले हैं। अभी हमने शीश महल देखा which was very pretty. Tell बच्चा how was it?
म्यूजियम
Very beautiful.
Wax म्यूजियम कैसे था सानिया?
Beautiful.
रात में टहलने निकले हो?
और नहीं तो महल में आए वॉक करने।
ये जो आप फोर्ट देखने आए, इस फोर्ट का नाम है नाहरगढ़।
ओके
इस फोर्ट को बनवाने वाले थे महाराजा सवाई माधो सिंह सेकंड। उनकी 9 रानियाँ थी, 9 वाइफ्स। यहाँ पे 9 रानियों के उनके 18 अपार्टमेंट है, 9 विंटर एंड 9 समर।
ओह
क्या 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 क्या
9 विंटर एंड 9 समर।
वाह
ग्राउंड फ्लोर वाले को बोलते हैं विंटर पैलेस, सर्दी में रहने के लिए। फर्स्ट फ्लोर वाले को बोलते हैं समर पैलेस, गर्मी में रहने के लिए। नीचे के 9 पैलेस एक जैसे एक समान है, ऊपर के 9 पैलेस एक जैसे एक समान है। वो इसलिए क्योंकि राजा एक था, रानियाँ नहीं। डिफरेंट रहेगा तो उनमें लड़ाई होगी, झगड़ा होगा, इसलिए सबका सेम पैटर्न, सेम डिजाइन है। किसी के साथ
सॉर्टेड बंदा था यार।
ब्रिलियंट।
क्या हुआ था? बछड़े का क्या हुआ था?
गाय को बछड़ा हुआ था।
गाय को बछड़ा हो गया? गाय को बछड़ा
गाय
कैसे?
को होता है। अरे वाह छोटा गाय को
Same like सानिया को नींद आई है.
What's up you guys? So we are at Masala Chowk and having food here. This one seems to be like the driver told us that this place is very famous and has got like very good food. So we've come here and the street looks Good morning. Today is 2nd of March and we've just checked out of our hotel. This is what we are wearing. And the fun fact is the outfit that I'm wearing is from Jaipur actually, and the brand put the effort to send this to me all the way to Hyderabad. This is from Jaipuri Ada, and you guys know how much I've loved their previous outfits as well. And yeah, today the plan is to cover a lot of places. And being all touristy, and we've got a very good driver with us who's really sweet in helping us with a lot of stuff. He's not in the car, but I'll surely get him on the camera as soon as he's here. He's apparently walking wearing the sunglasses where there's no धूप. थोड़ी धूप लग रही है?
स्टाइल लग रही है।
मम्मा धूप लग रही है?
मेरे को स्टाइल लग रही है ना हमने।
धूप आ भी रही है किसको? ये सारे लोग इतना ज़्यादा एनग्रोस्ड हैं गाइड से सुनने में कि यहाँ से 20 ट्रक भर के सोना चोरी हुआ था. तो सम खजाना हियर देयर वाज. What's up, you guys? So we're, like I said, we are discovering the forts. We are in Amber Killa right now. Bolo.
This, I think it was
Built in 17th
1720.
century.
Yeah, so basically 1720 year में बना था.
It's huge,
Very
beautiful. And राजा की कितनी wives थी?
12
wives थी. तो 12 wives के different
10-11 के
blocks.
नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है.
different blocks बने हुए हैं. It's very pretty actually. It's so good to discover places like
And
these.
like lot of history behind
A
everything.
lot of
here.
history, and we definitely suggest to hire a guide. When you're visiting such heritage places, because they definitely has got a lot of knowledge that they can fill you with.
Yes.
So, yeah. Food तो काफ़ी सुंदर है, and you have to wear comfortable shoes to be in the forts. है ना? क्योंकि बहुत चढ़ाई वढ़ाई होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा सीढ़ियाँ वगैरह हैं. Hi guys, so we have a flight at 8 today and we're leaving, but I really wish that we stayed in Jaipur because the city is so pretty and it's got a lot of history involved with every palace that I really wanted to discover everything. And Hawa Mahal, which is very famous over here, and people actually go to the tattoo cafe and get the pictures clicked. I did not do that, I didn't go there, but I did get few pictures and we did discover Hawa Mahal quite a bit because it's on the street. And then we went shopping. Obviously we went to Amer Palace like I showed you, and now we've just stopped by for a chai break. We've reached the airport and now we're going back Hyderabad. आज का दिन अच्छा था, हम लोगों ने शॉपिंग भी की. We went to Bapu Market.
बापू मार्केट, उसके
Bapu
आगे
Street or Bapu Market, we don't know what is it
एक और
called.
कुछ था ना.
And that's the street that we discovered, and we shopped a lot. Block print, Indigo, and all of those things. But it was fun. Shopping here was fun, but it's just that you have to bargain a lot if you're shopping here. And overall the trip was great. हम लोगों ने काफ़ी कुछ ज़्यादा discover नहीं किया, and we really wish जयपुर में एक दिन और रुकते. But अभी जा रहे हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत अच्छे से बात
Yeah, we
करते
had a
हैं.
very good driver again.
हाँ, ड्राइवर बहुत अच्छे थे. ड्राइवर भैया तो अच्छे थे, बट अदरवाइज ऑल्सो
Yeah,
जहाँ पे
like
भी हम
it
जिससे
was-
भी मिल रहे थे ना, वो लोग
And
सारे
our
बहुत अच्छे थे.
complete cabs and everything was arranged by a person, so
Yeah,
he
we
was
booked
also
it
very
online.
helpful. So we will also try to give some details about it.
We'll leave the link in the description.
Yeah, in the description.
From where we booked the cab, because it was a trusted source. As when we were trying to book the cab, everything was so expensive online, and when we were trying to reach them on the call, they were not even taking the call, and few of them were costing us a lot just for like 3 days cab. So finally we found something which was reasonable. I mean reasonable as in which we found was credible
better
and
than the other
safe.
options we had. So it was a very good trip again. So that's it for now.
That's it for now, and hopefully we'll travel soon and we'll see you soon. Bye, and thank you so much for watching the vlog. And we really hope you enjoy this. And yeah, do like, subscribe, and share this vlog. See you.